is calm, the river slow, street lamps paint a gentle glow. Your laughter drifts, the silence stays. Love is written in these days. Every step the season sings. Love is found in the simplest things. The sound of falling leaves, soft and near, whispers love when you are here. By the cafe light, the night believes. Our hearts are tied in the falling leaves. Steam is rising from your cup. The candlelight keeps warming up. Your eyes reflect the autumn flame. Every glance repeats my name. Every breeze carries your voice. With you beside me, there's no choice. The sound of falling leaves, soft and near, whispers love when you are here. By the cafe light, the night believes. Our hearts are tied in the falling leaves. Skies appear, I'll hold this season close and clear. Every memory autumn weaves, I'll hear again in the falling leaves. The sound of falling leaves, calm and true. Every note turns to you. Through the river song, the heart perceives. Forever sings in the fall.